Okay, so BPC-157 is one of my favorite peptides. BPC stands for Body Protection Complex. It is found in the gastric juices, and this peptide is widely used for its anti-inflammatory effect that actually works systemically, which is awesome because I think most people have extra levels of inflammation, but it also contributes to gut healing. BPC can be taken orally and it can be injected subcutaneously. And while both of them will affect both aspects of healing the body and healing and promoting gut repair, the oral is going to be better for the gut and the injections are going to be better for musculoskeletal injuries. But BPC is definitely at the base of most of our patients' programs because we have to focus on inflammation with whatever issue we're dealing with, whether it's weight loss, whether it's overall health issues, healing from musculoskeletal injuries. Starting with inflammation helps us achieve higher levels of health, and BPC can be one tool to help get you there alongside some other awesome functional tricks that we will help you implement alongside your peptide purchase. So click that button and we'll see you guys soon.